a good morning today? A great start today? Why people are saying no? Yeah. Can you tell me why you are not getting a good start in this day?
Good morning. Good morning after the 12 p.m.
Okay, so means if a person do not start a day with a good start, so it means he don't set a goal. He didn't set a goal in his life. The basic thing is that, have you heard a quotation that the life without goals and dreams is not a life. It's only merely existing. It's existence, not the life. And this is not for what we are here in this world. We are here to achieve our goals. Take an example of a life without goals. That a life without goals is like a ship without a captain. The life without goals never goes on. The person will die, but he will not achieve his goal or anything, any other thing else. But if he has goals, so he will achieve something in his life. Just like you want to buy an expensive car, expensive watch, mobile phone, he will buy one day because if he has a goal and he has a dream to buy it. So he will work hard on it dedicatedly and persist on this goal and dream. So the thing is that you have to set your goals in your life. If you don't set your goal in your life, the way of your life will be like that. You will wake up in the morning, take breakfast, get fresh, go to work. You will come back at night, take dinner, and then go asleep. So you didn't set a goal in your life. Means you are not doing something else except earning money. And earning money, I think, is not a good goal. If you have set a goal to earn money, so it means that you are trying to just earn money. You are not trying to get anything. And I would like to ask you one thing: that if you want to buy money, earn money, so what will you do with such a great amount of money? Huh? Can you answer? You can buy cars, you can buy bungalows, you can be anything, but can you buy happiness with that? Yes. Okay. I agree that you can buy happiness, you can give charity, you can do charity, you can buy many things. But earning money cannot make you eternally focused or happy. Means unended. Then the happiness will not come to end. But if in case you have set a goal to earn money, trillions and billions of money, so your happiness will come to an end gradually. But if you have set a goal to earn something or be something, or be a motivational speaker, be a good teacher, be a good racer, driver, or any other thing else, this is a goal. If you have set a goal, you will be it one day. You will be it one day. That if you want to be a good teacher, you will start teaching one day, and after that, you will try. Your confidence level will raise. Your knowledge will increase, and you will be a good teacher after that. That experience in the teaching is very um, important thing. I have seen many teachers that are graduate, they are mastered, but they don't have experience and they cannot teach perfectly. So the thing is that do the thing persistently. Be with your goal. Never leave it in the way. That if you want to set a goal in your life, think 1,000 times before setting it. And if you have set a goal, then don't leave it in the middle. Then if you leave it in the middle, it will harm you one day. It will never make you. It will never give you success. So that's why today I have prepared something new for you. That goals are very important in your life. You should know the importance of the goals. Now I think that's enough for the importance of the goal. Let's move to the issue that how can we set a goal? How to set a goal? It's a basic issue for everyone, with everyone, and it was to me also. That how can I set a goal? So if you want to set a goal, you should dream big. The basic need of setting goals is that you should dream big. If you don't dream big, you will never set a goal, and if you set a goal without dreaming big, then you will not achieve it. It's a fact. It's a fact of the world. You cannot achieve it. So the thing is that you should dream big if you want to set a goal in your life, and if you want to achieve it, so you should work hard. You should work with heart and soul. Means that you should work day in and day out, day and night. So another point is that you should be dedicated to your goal. You should never leave it in the middle. You should never leave it in the middle, and the goal is always a thing that make you success. So do work hard work, and be dedicated to your goal and persist on the goal. Never quit. Have you all got my point?
Oh, thank you, wonderful. Great speech from Thank you, Muzaffar. Thank you, wonderful. Great speech from Muzaffar. Goals